welcome to the sports side. So the squad for Asia Cup and the Tri-Nation Series against Afghanistan and UAE for Pakistan has been announced very recently. So the biggest headline is that Babar Azam and Mohammad Rizwan are excluded from the roster. The reason that we have heard from Mike Hesson is that they need to improve their strike rate, and Babar Azam specifically need to improve areas like hitting against the spin. So these two things he have highlighted for Babar Azam that he really need to work on. But taking into consideration their inconsistency in recent series against West Indies, they've been dropped. Moreover, Abbas Afridi is not included in the squad. I really think Abbas Afridi should have taken his spot in this squad because the conditions in UAE, he could have been extremely impressive and dominant. Let's have a look at the squad. It's a 17-member squad starting off with Salman Ali Agha, Abrar Ahmed, Fahim Ashraf, Fakhar Zaman, Haris Rauf, Hassan Ali, Hassan Nawaz, Hussein Talat, Khushdil Shah, Muhammad Haris, wicketkeeper batsman Muhammad Nawaz, Muhammad Wasim Jr. is back. Then it is Sahibzada Farhan, Saim Ayub, Salman Mirza is also back, Shaheen Shah Afridi and Sufyan Mukim. Let's get into the squad. So I believe opening players would be Saim Ayub and Sahibzada Farhan. At number 3, both Fakhar Zaman and Muhammad Haris can fit in, but it's over to the management how they'll be looking into it. At number 4, I think it would be Salman Ali Agha followed by Hassan Nawaz. If we talk about bowling options, there are multiple bowling options for Pakistan. First up, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Hassan Ali. Then the good thing is that Muhammad Wasim Jr. is back. If we talk about his recent series, he was included in the Pakistan Shaheen squad for the tour of Darwin. So he was quite impressive there, as well as Mike Hesson has said that Muhammad Wasim Jr. is the best option for reverse swing, and his bowling specifically in death overs is quite exceptional. As we have seen in 2023's ODI World Cup, he was the only one who was, getting us wickets in death overs. So we can hope that Wasim Jr. will hopefully show that spark and glimmer in Asia Cup and these Tri-Nation Series as well. Then it is Haris Rauf. Then Salman Mirza is also back. Then if we see spin bowling options, it is Sufyan Mukim and Abrar Ahmed. So basically there are two specialist spinners. You can use part-timers or all-rounders as well. Khushdil Shah can fill in that spin bowling requirement, and Muhammad Nawaz as well. So let's see how it all unfolds. And this is all from Sports Side. Do not forget to follow the Sports Side for more sports content.